Hello friends, I hope you are doing well in this beautiful day. And so we are working on round 30 of star, hearts and pineapple tablecloth. So to begin the round, we slip stitch twice on the next stitch, or slip stitch on next stitch and do it twice. So that's one slip stitch on the next stitch, and that's the second. And then single crochet into the chain 5 space, then chain 5 single crochet on the next chain 5 space 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space second, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. This is the third, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space. This is the fourth, then chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, and that's the 5th times. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip this next chain 3 space and the next 2 double crochet and 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2 on the next chain 2 space, and we just made a shell. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make another shell on the next chain 2 space, 2 double crochet on the next chain 2 space, chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 double crochet again on the same space. Okay, so now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we will repeat the same thing we did here on the single crochet. We started a single crochet here after the slip stitch, so we will repeat starting from the single crochet onto the next chain 3 from here to here, and repeat it all around. So after the set of 2 shells, at the end of the round we chain 3 and then slip stitch on the single crochet at the beginning of the round. So that's how the repeating stitches look. And thank you for watching.